Hi everyone. Some people have been asking me which type of business we can start with a very low amount. So here's a business for you. You can actually start an M-PESA shop that you need around 150,000, and this is how you do it. You just need a small space, around 5k, 5,000 bob. You also need a registration line. An M-PESA line that costs around 15 to 20,000. That's around 25k. The next thing that you need is a business permit that you need to pay around 10,000 bob. That is annual, so it's annual. You pay every year, and it's very easy and very much affordable. So for this, you are paid in commission that happens every first of every month. So this comes from Safaricom, so it's very much efficient. So like, share, and subscribe in our YouTube channel to get more ideas on businesses. Thank you.